Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
If your laptop only supports 4 GHz, the only way is external hardware. Buy a USB 3.0 dual-band Wi-Fi adapter that explicitly supports 5 GHz. Choose a model with 802.11 AC for compatibility and performance, often rated up to 867 Mbps. Make sure your laptop has an available USB 3.0 port and enough power for the adapter. I recommend an adapter with an external antenna for range. Unbox it and keep the included driver media, plug the USB 3.0 adapter into your laptop, and power it on. Install the vendor drivers from the included media or download the latest drivers from the manufacturer website. Reboot the laptop after installation to finalize driver registration. Open network settings and choose the adapter, then enable the 5 GHz band or set preferred band to 5 GHz in advanced properties. Scan for the router's 5 GHz SSID and join using the network password. Verify signal and link rate in the adapter status window. Position the adapter to reduce obstruction. 5 GHz signals travel shorter distances than 4 GHz. Keep the adapter within about 10 meters and avoid thick concrete walls. If performance is poor, adjust router channel to 36 through 48 and set channel width to 80 MHz for higher throughput. Point the antenna toward your router and test speeds. Update adapter drivers and router firmware to resolve instability. If problems persist, try a different USB port or a powered USB hub to ensure sufficient power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.